There is a planet in our galaxy that defies almost every expectation we have about weather, climate, and even the laws of survival. A world where the sky glows a deep cobalt blue, the winds roar faster than anything seen on Earth, and molten glass rains sideways at nearly 7,000 kilometers per hour. This is not a scene from a science fiction film. This is a real planet known as HD 189733b, located about 64 light-years away from Earth. HD 189733b is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter, a giant gas planet similar in size to Jupiter, but orbiting incredibly close to its parent star, so close, in fact, that a single year on this world lasts just a little over 2 Earth days. The proximity to its star means that temperatures on its surface soar to well over 1,000 degrees Celsius. But it is the planet's atmosphere and its extreme weather that truly sets it apart. The winds on HD 189733b are among the fastest ever recorded in the universe. They whip around the planet at speeds of up to 7,000 kilometers per hour, nearly 6 times faster than a speeding bullet. These are not gentle breezes or powerful gusts. These are world-shredding atmospheric currents capable of lifting particles, tearing apart clouds, and moving material with unimaginable force. What makes this even more extraordinary is the composition of the planet's atmosphere. The extreme temperatures cause silicon-based compounds to vaporize. As these vapors rise into the cooler upper layers of the atmosphere, they condense into tiny droplets of molten glass. And when the planet's violent winds pick up these particles, they are blasted horizontally across the sky like a storm of glowing shards. It is rain, but not as we know it, a sideways hurricane of glass. The blue color of the planet, often compared to Earth's oceans, is a result of this very atmosphere. Light scatters off the fine glass particles suspended high above the clouds, giving the planet its striking cobalt appearance. But make no mistake, this beautiful blue world is one of the most hostile environments imaginable. Any spacecraft attempting to enter its atmosphere would be torn apart instantly, shredded by glass, crushed by winds, and melted by the extreme heat. Despite its hostility, HD 189733b has become one of the most studied exoplanets in the universe. Its close orbit makes it an ideal candidate for the transit method, a technique where astronomers observe how starlight passes through the planet's atmosphere. By analyzing this filtered light, scientists can determine the chemicals present in the atmosphere, revealing details about its weather, temperature, and composition. These studies have given us unprecedented insight into the dynamics of alien weather systems. They show how atmospheres behave under extreme conditions, how heat moves across a tidally locked world, and how exotic materials like vaporized minerals can shape an entire planet's climate. Understanding such worlds deepens our knowledge not only of distant solar systems, but also of the forces that shaped our own. For example, the extreme winds on HD 189733b provide clues about atmospheric circulation on gas giants, both here and elsewhere. They reveal how energy is transported, how storms develop, and how planetary rotation influences weather patterns. These insights help refine our climate models and improve our understanding of planets beyond our own limited experience. HD 189733b also fuels curiosity about the diversity of worlds in our universe. If a planet can rain glass sideways, what else might exist out there? Worlds of iron rain, methane snow, or diamond storms are not only possible, some have already been discovered. The universe is filled with environments far stranger and more diverse than anything on Earth. Yet perhaps the most fascinating aspect of HD 189733b is how something so violent, so extreme, can be so mesmerizingly beautiful. Its deep blue hue, illuminated by its star, makes it appear calm and serene when viewed from afar. But beneath that soft glow lies an atmosphere in constant, chaotic motion, a world where weather behaves on a scale we can hardly comprehend. As we continue to explore exoplanets with more powerful telescopes and missions, we will uncover even stranger and more astonishing worlds. Each discovery expands our understanding of what planets can be and how nature operates under unimaginable conditions. HD 189733b is a reminder that the universe is not simply large, it is wildly creative. It holds places that challenge our imagination and push the boundaries of science itself. And somewhere out there, beyond the storms of molten glass and the hurricanes of cobalt blue, countless more worlds are waiting to be found. Follow Tech Obsidian for more astonishing stories about the strange and beautiful worlds beyond our solar system.